Hello, my name is Javier. I'm a fresh student assistant, and today we'll be cooking some spaghetti and marinara meat sauce. Hope you guys enjoy. You'll need some pasta. It could be any. I had some spaghetti from the pantry, so I'll use that. Also, some marinara sauce, Italian seasoning, salt, pepper, oil, and some Italian sausage. First, you'll get the sausage ready. I myself only had the sausage in the casing, and that's perfectly fine. So I did was cut off the ends and split it down the middle to remove the casing, so it could come apart better. You can use ground beef, ground turkey, or uncased sausage. If you do not like meat, then don't use meat at all. That's great too. We're going to use a pot to boil some water for the pasta. We are going to put it on high and add some salt so it can boil faster, and add some seasoning. Then we are going to turn on the burner for the pan for our sausage around medium high. We are going to add some oil to the pan just to coat it and let that warm up for a bit. Make sure to wash your hands after. We're going to start breaking into smaller pieces with a metal spoon and letting it brown off. After a few minutes, let's move them around so each side gets to cook and continue to break down with the spoon. Once it is done, around 10 minutes, we're going to add our ready-made sauce. I'm using ragu, but any other works. Let's shake up the bottle and then pour. Mix the sauce with the meat and let's start to season it. Add some Italian seasoning, around 1 teaspoon. Some pepper, again teaspoon. Onion and garlic powder, each 1 teaspoon. We're not going to add any salt since the meat has some salt already in it, and so does the marinara sauce. We don't want too much salt in our food, but always season the taste. Get the sauce into a simmer and cook for 6 minutes. Stir occasionally. Make sure to clean as you cook. We got our water at a boiling and are ready to add the pasta. This pasta says it will cook in between 5 to 6 minutes. You can either break the pasta in half or keep it long. I like them long, so that's what I did. To put it in a pan, just use the tongs to rotate the bottom of the pasta so the top can go in. Repeat till all the pasta is in. Do not worry if any breaks. It'll be okay. We have a sauce at a simmer and going to let it keep going and bring back our pasta to a boil. Don't forget to stir the sauce in the pasta. We got our pasta ready and it passed the test where it's not too hard but not too soft. We're going to add the pasta into the bowl so we can mix the sauce into it. If you have a pasta drainer, this is the time to use it. Turn off the burner for the water and then add the sauce into the pasta bowl. Add around 3/4 of the sauce and mix it with the tongs. Reserve the other quarter for plating. Let's grab some bowls. Grab some pasta and rotate the pasta right when you enter the bowl so it plays nicer. Let's add some extra sauce on the top so everyone can have some extra sauce and extra meat. Don't forget that part. It's very important. So this serves around 8 or dinner for 4 and lunch for the next day. Hope you guys enjoyed and had a wonderful day.